At kami po ay nagbabalik para sa isa na namang mainit na matchup dito sa Liga Adarna Season 3. I am Honey Sidodovoli. Together with me is Burger Kim.
Thanks for that intro, guys. Thank you so much to all our viewers. No, we have like 300 plus viewers here on our Facebook live page. Grabe, no? Miss Honey Glaze. Grabe yung
Yes.
support sa atin. Thank you so much, viewers, for watching Liga Darna and continuing to support us, all our players, and everyone behind this amazing team. And of course, this is co-presented by Smart Communications Incorporated.
Yes, and especially since yun nga, no, we are powered by Smart Communications. Witness your favorite teams battle it out and apply the gameplays with your squad. A Smart powers up your game with free games for all. Get up to 14 gig for Mobile Legends, Call of Duty, and Facebook Gaming. That is only 499 pesos. Saan ka pa? 7 days na yan. Simply download the new Gigi Life app and choose free games or dial *123# and choose free games.
That's right, guys. Ano pang hinihintay nyo? Just download the Smart Giga Life app right now. And of course, we'd also like to thank our major sponsors. That's ePlayment Corporation and Esports News, and of course, our official gaming peripheral partner, Fantech Philippines.
Pero
And here we
naririnig na nga natin ito, Miss Burger Kim. Mukhang papasok na tayo into our drafting phase. Pero bago
That's right.
ang lahat ng yan, syempre, ipapakilala muna natin or ibebenta muna natin, syempre, ang isa sa pinakabagong caster sa Liga Darna. Guys, let us all welcome Tofu Cast PH. Tofu, take it away.
Ayan, thank you so much, Burger Kim and Honey Glaze. And guys, welcome to the drafting phase. Ako po ulit si Tofu, ang inyong magiging analyst for this match. So, this match is Pronet Forza versus Lil Divas on the red side. And right now, as you can see,
Your
Alice
team is
and
banning.
Matilda ang baban dito for the Pronet Forza. Meanwhile, Lil Divas naman, they ban out yung Tiki kasi nakita naman natin, guys, no, kung paano
Your team is
mag-manipulate ng isang laro yung Tiki strat. So right now, we have a first pick. Tingnan natin kung sino yung first pick nila. Wala pa namang so far na hino-hover.
Your
But yeah,
team is
Johead
picking.
priority sa lahat. Most of the tournaments, Johead talaga yung pina-priority. I think this meta, no, guys, sobrang lamang talaga na Johead sa mga teamfight. And Esmeralda naman for the Lil Divas, sobrang
Your team
lamang.
is
Neto
picking.
hindi man sobrang lamang, no, like lamang na talaga yung Esmeralda, no, ladies and gentlemen. But this Selena pick for the side of Lil Divas gives them a lot of map vision, map control. Pero kasi may Johead naman on the other hand, so pwedeng ma-counter out lang din netong side ng Lil Divas. Pero naman, guys, no, nasa execution pa rin yan. But Eve and Roger
Your
for the
team
side
is
of
picking.
Team Pronet Forza. Let's see how Lil Divas answer it out as they are now going for their third pick. So nakikita natin ngayon, guys, gusto ng Lil Divas gumo sa isang swarmer type of drafting dito or hero
Your
composition.
team is
This
banning.
Esmeralda plus this Paquito pa. Tapos yung Selena natin, gusto nilang ma-vision, gusto talaga nilang i-reveal or paugin agad yung Roger dito ng Pronet Forza. Pero titingnan pa rin natin kung paano sasagutin ng Pronet Forza ito, as now the Lil Divas banning out the back
Your
siya
team
because
is
they know
banning.
wala pang off lane or wala pang XP lane dito yung Pronet Forza natin. So habang inatin natin mag-ban yung Forza, shoutout muna sa ating mga viewers dyan. Please do
Your
share the
team
stream.
is picking.
And yan, like nyo na rin yung page ko at Caster Tofu. Mali po yung sinabi ni Honey Glaze kanina. Mali po yung sinabi niya. Pero, Claude, a marksman or yung core, binan out na dito ng Pronet Forza kasi alam nila hindi pa nakakapag-lock in ng core or di pa nakakapag-reveal ng core yung Lil Divas dito. Meanwhile, they're now hovering Kufra plus this Uranus pick. We all know Uranus nagbalik na talaga sa meta. A lot
Your
of
team
pro
is
players and semi-pro players talagang ginagamit na to sa ating mga ranked games and especially sa mga tournaments like MPL. Di ba? Ginagamit na rin talaga to si Uranus. But the Yisen Shin is still open for the side of Lil Divas. Marksman composition versus marksman composition. What do you think, Honey Glaze and Burger King?
Yun,
Thank you for
grabe
that,
naman yan.
Tofu.
Yes,
Grabe
what's
naman
up,
yung
Tofu?
pagka-analyze.
Yes, tama ka dyan. That's right, Burger Kim. So, yun nga, no, guys. Kami naman ngayon ang mga kasama nyo again. This is Burger Kim together with Honey Glaze. Nagkabalik na
Yata
kami.
natin ang ating viewers, no? Honey
Ito
glazed
nga yung composition
tofu.
naming tatlo.
Saka
Yun, guys.
Burger Kim.
Sa mga gusto pong mag-mine dito sa comment section, drop your price below for tofu. Yung i-comment nyo lang po is exclamation point notify together with the name tofu. So yun guys, again, this is the second match of the day. Pangalawang laro pa lang ito for the day 1 Liga Adarna Season 3. Memorizing kami ang inyong mga kasama. Once again, Honey Glaze with the double E together with me is Burger Kim. This is the battle between Fornet Forza versus Digital Devils, Lil Divas.
That's right, no? And I think makaka-early pick off tong si Lil Divas here because considering they have a Selena and of course a Sylvana to do all those stunts, no? But let's see how that will play out. And I love this composition ng teams, no? Medyo balanced na siya ngayon, no? They have an offlaner, and I think for the side of Pronet Forza, no, the Uranus here is being utilized as a side laner on offlaner here, no? And alam
Yep.
naman natin, bumalik na nga ang Uranus sa meta, one of my favorite heroes as well, no? Can sustain the late early game, pero medyo taking a beating there by our Paquito.
Oo, medyo nasasaktan din ako sa mga bawat hampas ng mga kamao dito ng isa Paquito. And again, napakahirap pala ganyan once you are a Uranus into the early phases of the game, hindi ka makakabigay agad ng damage out or hindi ka man lang makakaganti, kaya parang sinapak ka na rin bilang Uranus user. Pero nandito na tayo and sa the mid lane kung saan nirorondahan na nga ng Sylvana, ng Selena dito yung blue buff. Pero syempre, ang ganda naman ang pwesto dito ng Kufra, just zoning out the members here from the side of Digital Devils, Little Divas. And once again, magpapakita na naman sila, magkakaroon ng ambahan dito. We have the Kufra going into the bushes, we have the Spiral Strangling, pero papasok naman dito si Eve, dealing damage, dealing a lot of slow against the side of Little Divas, pero mukhang walang matatamaan dito. Abyssal Arrow coming in from the Selena.
Yep, I think this is just a team fight, no? Waiting to happen here, no? Nag-aabang lang sila for the proper timing. Nag-flicker out muna. Si baka mahuli siya John kasi may Selena at saka may Sylvana, magmamamba out muna siya para hindi siya mahuli. Sige, back muna daw sila, back muna. Kalma lang because it's only less than a minute into the match, no? Wala pa tayong first blood. Let's see how this will pan out. I think both teams are trying their best to build their items as fast as possible here. And of
Gusto ko
course,
yung
taking
sinabi
the
mo,
buff.
Miss Burger Kim na kalma lang muna. First few minutes around naman parang pero pwede kang papasok naman, mainit dito si Joed, kaya naman siya ngayon ang makakakuha ng kill against sa Paquito for the side of Lil Divas. Pero tingnan natin ngayon kung makakabawi nga ba dito Lil Divas, since we have a contest for the turtle. We also have here the Falling Sarmon Ejector coming out. We have the slowing effect coming from the Void Crystal ng Eve. Nandito rin yung Real World Manipulation, pero yun nga makakatakas pa rin naman dito. Members from the side of Lil Divas, papasok na naman dito. Tyrant's Revenge coming in from the Kufra. We also have here the Lycan Pounds coming from the Roger. Mukhang wala pa rin siya makukuhang kill dito for the side of Lil Divas, kaya naman payapa lang sila makakatakas doon sa clash na naganap against the Turtle.
Yeah, that's right. If nakita nyo guys, no, dalawa sila, napaka-low health, no, magmamamba out muna sila. And I think they wanna avoid the clash as much as possible kasi I think lugi sila doon, no. 2 members will be down if ever.
Tama ka dyan, that's right. Burger Kim, knowing that still, nandito na oh my gosh, ano na naman ang nangyayari dito?
Abyssal Arrow na huli ang ating Uranus. Mukhang kulang pa yata ang kanyang stack, no? Hindi siya maka-regen ng mabuti. And of course, wala pa rin siya masyadong items since it's still early game, no? Hindi pa rin siya maka-regen talaga ng todo because we know medyo na-nerf nga yung Uranus for the past couple of patches, no?
Oo, pero mukhang magkakaroon na nga dito ng ambahan. We have the Joed going in for the ejector. Real World Manipulation coming in from Eve just to make sure na mas-slow out niya yung members dito from the side of Lil Divas. Pero syempre, decision lang sila muna since yun nga, sino nga bang magtatangkang pumasok doon sa Real World Manipulation at i-try stand dito si Eve since yun nga, ang hirap talaga i-cancel out ng ultimate niya. Once na meron kang suppress, goods na yun. Katulad na lang ng ultimate dito ng Franco or kaya ni Kaja, makakapag-cancel out yun ng real world manipulation. Pero what if gito nga lang yung setup na meron kayo? You have to make sure na wala ka sa loob ng zone na yun ng real world manipulation. Kaya naman maingat lang umiikot or nagro-rotate dito members from the side of Lil Divas first 5 minutes into the game.
Yes, yeah, I like what you said there, no, Honey Glaze. Talagang hinuhuli nila tong si Yanu na she's actually playing as Eve. Kasi medyo mahirap nga, no? Nasa backline siya, tapos ginagamit niya yung real-world manipulation. And of course, they can't move forward with that because may stun. Ay, yun na nga, real-world manipulation being used there by our Eve.
Pumasok naman dito with the Imperial Justice. Pumasok lumundag pero wala siya matataili. And we have the Roger going down. Falling Starmoon will not be connecting into anyone. Pero tatlo pa rin naman na nawawala sa mapa dito para sa side ng para sa side of Pronet Forza, kaya naman open opportunity ito for the Lil Divas to take this turtle buff. Sila naman ngayon na mamumuna when it comes to the gold lead, and when it comes to the item, pwede na at Gucci-licious, Gatalicious na talaga kumuha ng XP nung medyo squishy dito para sa side ng Pronet Forza. Pero again, this is just the less than 10 minutes mark of the game.
That's right, no? You know, ang ganda talaga nung lineup dito ng Lil Divas, no? They have a lot of vision here, care of the Selena, and on the side of Pronet, no, they have this Eve that can actually check the bushes kung may nakatago ba na kalaban.
Exactly my point din, no, Miss Burger Kim. Paano ka nga naman kasi makakapunta at makakakuha ng kill kung, ayun nga, alam na kagad kung saan kayo nakatago. But we have another real world manipulation. Tyrant's Revenge will not be connecting to anyone. Imperial Justice para lang makatakas. Pero Paquito will be getting that kill. Low on health na rin dito si Paquito. But then again, Roger will be the one taking those 2 kills, taking those double kills para sa side ng Lil Divas. Pero we still have here the revenge coming from the Selena. Walang kokonect ang Abyssal Arrow muna into the top lane habang tumatrabaho lang din dito Uranus together with the Roger to take that first tier turret onto the top lane.
Yes, you know, I love it. Yung Uranus nila, napakakunat, no? In terms of tankiness, na-tankin niya yung turret para lang mabasag yun ng Roger, no? I love it.
Yes, and
mukhang
ngayon,
nagka-pressure na lang sila sa lane ngayon.
yep, and ngayon nga, no, para sa side naman ng Lil Divas, gumaganti lang naman sila eh. Kinuha nila yung first tier turret dito sa bottom lane kung saan yung Joy naman dito, hindi makagawa din ng paraan to make a move, to get that hero, to get that Esmeralda, either Esmeralda or the Selena from those two. Pero speaking of the Joy, we have the Ejector. Falling Star mo naman ang sinagot niya. Real world manipulation will not be giving up a lot of health para doon sa Joy. Pero papasok na dito kagad to the rescue. Imperial Justice coming from the Sylvana, trying to get the kill against the side of Pronet Forces. Pero again, that one kill is enough para mabigyan din ng kaba dito para ang blue team natin, which is Pronet Forces.
That's right. So, medyo naipit lang konti yung Johead doon, and yung backup niya medyo natagalan lang ng konti, no? Sayang yun, no? Medyo naipit talaga siya doon. Wala na siyang magawa kahit nag-smart missiles man siya. Sayang yun. Siguro if mas mabilis yung responde ng kanyang teammates, baka na-save pa siya. Pero yun nga, naipit siya doon, no? Taking down that Johead.
May
And
nakikita tayo
speaking
dito.
of ipit ulit, tingnan mo. Itong Uranus,
Yes.
muntik na mahuli.
Oo, muntik na marong turn, no? Muntik na marong turn dito dahil muntik na rin siya matamaan or matalian ng Imperial Justice. Nakakatakot nga naman kasi talaga matalian siya ng Imperial Justice. It's sure kill yun eh. Lalo na onto the backlines is A. Selena together with the Paquito, in which makakapagbigay din syempre ng crowd control. In and out lang yan, magna-knock up. Pero Tyrant's Revenge coming in from the Kufra will not be connecting into anyone. Kaya naman hinahabol siya ngayon ng Sylvana. There goes the stun, pero hindi ba ipagpapatuloy pa yung namumuong engagement dito ng dalawang teams dito sa bottom lane.
That's right, no? And I love how these two tanks, no? Yung Uranus, medyo nag-shift na siya sa pagiging tank sa mid-game. And syempre, naka-build na rin siya ng items dito, no? So medyo kampante na rin siya na parang, okay, pwede na ako sumabak sa laban.
Yep.
And nung early game, nakikita naman natin medyo umaatras-atras pa siya ng konti, no?
Gusto ko dito sa game na to, halos pantay lang din talaga. May upper hand lang din talaga dito ang Lil Diva since they have information. Information in which alam nila kung paano sila magro-rotate. Sila yung nagdidikta kung paano ba gumalaw dito members from the side of Pronet Forza. And ngayon, sila ngayon nando-dominate. First tier turret will be taken down by the Esmeralda together with the Yisun Shin. And ngayon, tingnan natin kung paano ba makakaganti dito. 4-man rotation naman na ang magaganap dito sa bottom lane side habang nag-aakit bahay lang na lang dito Lil Divas to get that buff. And again, Paquito will be slain by the 4-man rotation na binigay naman dito ng side ng Pronet Forces.
That's right, no? And I think they are starting to contest for this Lord right now, no? For the side of Little Divas. And I love how medyo balance yung match talaga dito ngayon.
Yep. And another kill. Once again, kill after kill after kill. We have already a 3-man down para sa side ng Pronet Forza. Open opportunity agad to Burger King para sa Lil Divas to get that first level Lord. And again guys, kapag nga naman hindi mo mapigilan dito ang Esmeralda together with the Yisun Shin, most probably magdo-dominate sila pagdating ng 10-minute mark of the game, in which they really do. Pero ngayon, papasok naman dito, River Manipulation coming in from Eve, pumasok si Uranus. Sino nakakuha ng Lord? Hindi natin nakita, but this is a wipeout for the side of Pronet Forces. And once again, that was dominated so perfectly by the Lil Divas, Digital Devils Lil Divas throughout that 10-minute mark. Labas ng 10 minutes mark, paano kaya makakasagot na dito members from our blue team?
Yes, I love what you said there, Honey Glaze, no? Talagang pressure na pressure tong Pronet Forza to take that Lord. Nag-real world manipulation pa nga yung Eve, but that is not enough to take that Lord kasi nga medyo kulang sila ng team members here, no? And I think etong time na to, wala na silang magagawa kundi mag-push forward because they have this Lord taking in all the buffs here on the side of Pronet Forza para hindi na sila maka-usad pa.
Exactly, Miss Burger King. Pero once again, there goes the set coming from the side of the defense. Pero nice zoning out capabilities coming from the E with the real world manipulation. But that won't be enough. We have a 3-man rotation, 3-man securing that in inner turret into the mid lane. Pero ngayon, they still have the Lord. So, bros, probably 6 ang makakalaban dito ng Pronet Forces. And once again, this is a domination game para sa side ng Lil Divas. Papasok na naman dito si Paquito in and out, getting that Eve, getting another hero down, knockup coming in from the Joy, but will it be enough? Magiging successful ba ang pagdodominate dito ng side ng Lil Divas or makakapag-defense na dito ang isang Joyhead in which na lang talaga ay natitira at hindi na talaga nagpatubig pa ang Imperial Justice ng Sylvana. Papasok naman ngayon si Roger with the use of the Lycan Pounds pero nakakuha naman dito ng kill. Si Kufra, Falling Starmoon coming from the Esmeralda will not be enough pero syempre tower lockdown na lang muna dahil they have a minion inside the base of Pronet Forces. That is a wonderful clean win for the side of Lil Divas. Digital Devils, Lil Divas.
Little Divas.
What a game once again, Burger King.
I love that, no? Grabe talaga. Sa draft pick pa lang, no, nakita na natin napakaraming studs and hindi na rin makamove forward ang ating Pronet Forza. That was a good game, well played. And to give you guys more analysis, in-depth analysis of our game, we will be throwing you to our analyst for today. Tofu, take it away.
Yup, thank you so much, Burger Kim and Honey Glaze. Welcome back guys to the analyst section. Ako ulit po, si Tofu mga kaibigan. Sa game na nangyari, Pronet Forza versus the Lil Divas, tinry ng Pronet Forza na masabayan, no? Yung Lil Divas, yung early aggression na pinapakita ng Lil Divas. Pero pagdating ng mga team fights sa mid-game, nag-come up short na yung team ng Pronet Forza. What went wrong for the team Pronet Forza? Actually, kinokontest si Selena. They are trying to deny yung mga abyssal traps or yung mga map vision nitong team ng Lil Divas, pero they can just come up, no, sa bagong technique kung paano nga ba talaga makaka-counter yung mga revealing ng position dito ng Pronet ng Lil Divas, no? Kasi dami, may Yisun Shin, Plus, meron pang Selena, yung mga Abyssal Trap. So talagang ang daming wards all throughout the map. And for the early game, yun nga, sinabayan nila, tinry nilang tapatan yung Selena. Mid-game, medyo bumantay tayo ng konti, pero still, pagdating ng late game, lumamang pa rin talaga yung Lil Divas with that 609 KDA coming in from Rain, our MVP sa ating match na yon. So, I think, pasa ko na ulit sa ating mga nagagandahan caster, Miss Honey Glaze and Madam Burger Kim.
Thank you so much, Tofu. What a match by Digital Devils, Lil Divas, no? Amazing, clean wipe out there. No, what do you think, Miss Honey Glaze?
Yup, so sinasabi ni Honey Glaze, no, dito is yung Uranus na binabanggit mo kanina, Burger King, no, na naging tank na pagdating ng mid stages of the game, pagdating ng late game, hindi kayang i-sustain yung damage output na pinapakita ni Paquito tsaka ni Esmeralda. What do you think, Burger King?
Yeah, I think hindi to alam ng maraming tao, no? Medyo counter talaga yung Esmeralda sa Uranus. Considering her first skill can actually take down shields, no? So, automatic, no? If you see in a draft pick may Esmeralda, medyo mahihirapan ka na talaga mag-Uranus. But still, good game, well played, no? Still
So,
amazing.
Medyo
Amazing
na-mute ako
tanking
kanina,
there.
pero oh my gosh, I am finally back. Pero yun nga guys, grabe ang naging laban nun. Going back to what I said kanina, na nasayangan ako, nakamute pala ako nun. Pero yun nga, no, grabe yung naging up and downs kasi ng mga nagiging rotation nila. Tama yung sinabi ni Tofu na, yung vision talaga na ang laking tulong. So once na nakita mo nandito yung members na ito for the enemy team, alam mong ito na yung dapat na objective na kuhanin mo, or kaya yung dapat na maging pick off mo throughout the match, throughout the early phases of the game, in which nakakakuha naman ng kill ng setups dito yung Joy together with the Eve, pero syempre hindi pa rin talaga siguro sapat yung real world manipulation to make sure na mazo-zone out niya yung pag-dominate ng mga clashes ng side ng Lil Divas. Kaya naman, kudos to Lil Divas, ang ganda ng nagiging sagot nila throughout the clashes na ini-engage naman sa kanila ng Fronet Forces. Kaya naman, Fronet Forces, makakabawi pa kayo into our another game dito sa pang-unang araw ng Liga Adarna Season 3 Women Rising.
That's right. Thank you so much, guys. And of course, shout out sa lahat ng ating mga viewers, no? Thank you so much for joining us today. That is 500 plus viewers na nga right now and in counting. Thank you so much for joining us today. And of course, Liga Adarna Season 3 Women Rising is co-presented by Smart Communications Incorporation. Thank you so much for providing us with this wonderful platform for females in the esports industry.
Medyo medyo nakakatuwa yung comment section din dito, Burger King, dahil ang daming nagmamahal kay Tofu. Tofu, ano ba gusto mo masabi dito sa comment section natin? Baka may ma-shoutout ka man lang dito.
Shoutout sa inyo guys, like nyo na lang yung page ko. Iko-comment ko ulit mamaya dyan. Pero Honey Glaze, I think we need to go muna sa ating short break. Kaya guys, huwag kayong alis, magabalik kami after a 5 minutes break.